My dear friends, dear NEET PG 2021 aspirants, I'm here to share a thought with you. We are nearly 150 days away from the exam, and this is the real time which is going to be the most important part of the whole preparatory cycle. And I'm here to invite you to invest fully into the preparation in these 150 days. Here you will get a time to revise whatever you have done till now. Here you will get time also to do definitely learn new things in this time, and then we revise that again in the month of October, then November, then December again. So our whole target should be to revise all the content which we have gathered or which we will gather in the month of mid of September. Also we'll be doing a lot of study till that time, but we must complete the three revisions before 25th December. So 25th December should be a cutoff date in your mind, that till that time you should be able to revise the content at least three times. I know it sounds impossible, but if we believe in quick, focused, fast revision, we are able to complete multiple revision. Do not try to really memorize everything in the one go only, because you also know that howsoever deeply intensely you may memorize it, within few days or weeks it start getting hazy and then it evaporates fully as if it never happened. So multiple revisions are the key, the quick revisions are the key, and the focused revision. When I say focused revision, I mean the revision without mobile phone on. Your mobile phone has to be off. If you're really revising, then your phone has to be off. Okay. Now, as we say all this, the same brain start generating few more thoughts within you. No, I think my friends have been doing really better than me. I have been wasting a lot of time. I have been really not doing great. I have really invested less amount of time. But my question to you is, are you the only human being on the planet, or are your friends also the human beings? They are also having the same kind of issues, they are also having the same kind of drawbacks in their preparatory cycle. So do not worry bache. We all are one species, homo sapiens. We all are having same kind of design within ourselves. Yes, there are a couple of people who are super focused from day one and all that. They belong to other species called homo sapien intelligentsia maybe. Okay, but fortunately they are the very 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 rare part of the whole population. Okay, we are the real homo sapiens, and we are going to compete ourselves against the other fellow beings who are also homo sapiens only. So if you have drawbacks, they also have drawbacks. But the good thing is, are we ready to do the right thing from now onwards or not? So these 150 days should be lived in a very different way. Maybe it's a time to relaunch yourself. Maybe version 2 has to be launched of your own by your own self. Why you should really do that? Because these 150 days are going to decide the further course of your life. What kind of training you will get, which subject you will get, which college you will get, that would decide the whole excitement in the life, that what kind of clinical practice you'll be doing. So I think there is all the reason to really devote ourselves fully in these 150 days. So just keep on, now maintaining the momentum, augmenting it. Now it's a time to go beyond the usual limits we have. No, I'm a human being. When I say I'm a human being, I always say that with the feeling, no, I cannot do beyond it. When you say you are a human being, that then it should remind you that you have got a limitless capacity to do exceptional job if you are really internally motivated, that I have to do it. Okay, so let's invest our time fully. Fully. This is my invitation to you. This is my humble request to you, that do not really worry about anything. Do not keep, you know, always thinking negative about your own self. Let's love each other. Let's make our lives better. Let's do our level best, so that later on, even if we fail, even if we are not able to achieve what we want to achieve, at least we'll have this feeling that we did our level best. So the aim is that we may not be the best, but we can be our best, and let's forget the rest to the Almighty. That really changes the whole mindset. But this has to be done by you, by talking to your own self, because within you lies the real motivator, beta. And from there changes will start happening, which will be really really stable changes. Okay, so let's live 150 days in a proper way. Let's work towards a better life of the future of ours better. Okay, thank you, best wishes, bye bye.